Well, fine, good afternoon, everyone. This is Patricia, and I'm traveling for history. What did I find for us? What a state historic marker. Funny, I traveled this road about 45 minutes ago, and I did not notice this. Oh well, but I did this time. It says North Montpelier Historic District. This small community, once called Rich's Hollow, was settled in the late 1700s, and during the 19th century was an important cultural and industrial center area. Samuel Rich created North Montpelier Pond by damming the Kingsbury Branch to power a sawmill, grist mill, and woolen mill that operated until 1970. That's 70. Businesses included a blacksmith, shoe shop, cheese factory, distillery, 2 general stores, the Rich Tavern, and the Nye Organ Factory. A wooden bridge connecting the two sides of the village was replaced in 1897 by a metal pony truss bridge. A bridge with a steel grate deck that, quote-unquote, sang as vehicles crossed was built in 1936. This, quote-unquote, singing bridge was replaced in 2011. The village is listed on the Vermont State Register of Historic Places, and this sign was posted in 2012. It says the same thing on both sides, by the way. And I'll just do a turn around so you can take a look-see at the area where we are standing. There will likely be cars coming. And if you hear the sound of water, that's because there's water right down here. And let me show you the pipe over here I saw. Actually, I'm going to pause this because I don't know if you can tell, but the ground is worse than a cemetery right now. So hang on just a moment. Okay, here's the pipe. That rusty thing you see right there. And we can see steps over here. I'm not sure what was there, if anything. But the pipe connects up behind these trees and comes down. It's like a wall. You see that right there? Looks like a wall to me. Hard to tell with the trees, and I can't get down there, so yeah. Pretty interesting, I gotta say. Oh, this must be the dam. Oh, I got it now. Slow for the uptake. You can see my pictures on Instagram and Facebook at Traveling for History, 1L in Traveling. I'm on all the social media you are, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. I'm traveling for history again with 1L and traveling everywhere except Twitter, where I'm traveling for High 1, traveling for HI numeral 1. So hey, you follow me all over the place. Love for you to subscribe to my channel, follow me wherever you like. And until I see you again, which is likely tomorrow, have a great evening. Thanks for watching. Bye.